Hey guys, my name is Maria Anderson and this channel is all about crypto and new technologies. Welcome! And today we're going to be unboxing this amazing crypto hardware wallet and also this super cool thing, and what exactly it is I will show you in a couple of minutes. So let's start guys. Let's start with this one, Ellipal Titan hardware wallet. And as you see, the security layer is still here on the box, which is pretty good. It means this box is safe. Never buy, guys, any hardware wallet that doesn't have this security layer. But now we don't need it anymore, so let's remove it. Okay, like this. Wow, the box looks pretty nice. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this hardware wallet, I will leave a link in the description. Definitely go check it out because I don't want to be too boring in this unboxing video. Also, you will be able to buy this hardware wallet. The link is in the description. So definitely go check it out, and also check out all the links with all the bonuses for you guys on my Linktree page. And now let's open it. Okay, are you ready, guys? Hello, my new hardware wallet. Wow, it looks so good. Like a new iPhone. Let's just take it from here. Cool. Wow, that's cool. It's made of metal. Even camera is here. Looks like a new phone, really. I think we should remove this layer. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this quality. I like it. I really like it. It might be a place for charging, right? So let's see what else do we have in the box. And what is this? Quick guide. Okay, so we have this charging port, micro SD card port. Okay, this is power button, magnet interface, and Ellipal security adapter. And the charging itself looks like this. Isn't it cool? And of course, guys, we have these pieces of paper for our mnemonic phrase. And I really recommend you guys always write it down 3 times and keep it safe. Don't make any screenshots. Don't keep it online. Just keep it in a safe place, okay? So now we don't need it for now. And the charging thing itself, well, looks pretty nice too, right? So when I will need to charge it, I will just put it like this. And yeah, I will connect it to my cable right away here. Do you see it, guys? And yeah, that's it. This one is USB-C and this one is just standard USB. And of course, if I will decide to charge it from my Mac, I have only USB-C here, so I will need USB-C to USB-C cable. And now, guys, let's try and turn it on. Yeah, so we have to push this button. Okay, let's do it. It looks very nice. Which language do you prefer, guys? I think English, right? So let's select English. And now it says download the Ellipal app and then click next. So what I will do now, I will take my phone and I will download this Ellipal app. As you see, I already did it. Let's click start here. Okay, I will confirm. And now, as you see, guys, it says connect to Ellipal code wallet. Okay. So we do need another QR code because this one was for the app. And now let's click next. So first of all, let's create an account, right? And also we can recover with Mnemonic and import account. But what we will do now, we will create a new one. So I will click this, create an account. Now I have to give a name to my account. Okay, let's name it, for example, YouTube. Great, and password. I will not show you my password, guys, but I really recommend you use all the types of letters and also numbers, but don't forget your password, of course. Okay, guys, as you can see, it says password is needed for account management and sign in. Don't forget it. And now I can click create account. Waiting just a little, that's okay. Created successfully. Please back up Mnemonics. And now, guys, the most important part, I will have to take my pen and this piece of paper and write down all the 12 words. Or also, guys, what I can do, I can use this amazing thing. Let's unbox it now and try how it works. I will put it right here just for a second. And I guess that this exact thing is much safer than just piece of paper. So you can also buy it through my link, which is down below in the description. Let me just open it. Are you ready, guys? It's made of steel. That's cool. Securing a better tomorrow. That's what we need. And let's open it. Wow, just look at this, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. So you can use your 12 words here or even 24 words. And also here in the box you will find those letters. Just look at these, guys. This is amazing. I'm not even joking. This is really cool. So yeah, let's try it. Let me open this one, for example. And just look at this, guys. It looks amazing, isn't it? And of course, you can ask me how do I actually take those letters out of this metal thing. So let me show you guys. It's pretty easy. Just push here. And yeah, that's it. That's how it works. And then I will put a letter by letter right away here to make all those 12 or 24 words, which will be my mnemonic phrase. And yeah, you also have this small thing here to open this stuff. Okay, I'm ready. Backup mnemonic words. Let's click here. And now it says please keep in mind, so keep in mind guys, mnemonics is important for asset safety. Once lost, you will never get your account assets back. Also, mnemonics will not store in or export from Ellipal. This is the only chance to backup. Please backup mnemonics in a safe place without cameras. And now guys, I will backup my mnemonics, so I will not show you that, but I will come back to you in a second. And now guys, it asks me to verify my mnemonics, so I will come back to you in a second again. Nice, as you can see it says backup successful and now I can use my hardware wallet. Cool, I will click OK. So let's see how many wallets do I already have here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, ADA, Doge, even Polkadot. Okay, great. And I can also add any coin here. And of course, the full list of coins you will find on their website. I will leave a link for you in the description. And now guys, it's time to connect it to my phone. I will click here, connect to Cold Wallet. And also I will click here. And yeah, let's start. You see, it generates different QR codes. You see it, guys? It will have to generate all those 32 QR codes. And congratulations, we just did it! So you actually don't need this device anymore if you just want to receive crypto. Of course, you will need it when you will send crypto, but to receive crypto, this app on your mobile phone will be quite enough. If you wanna receive Bitcoin, for example, just click here. Just click receive right away here on your mobile app and that's it. As you can see, that's my Bitcoin address. So if someone of you guys wants to send me Bitcoin, of course you can do it. Thank you so much. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to. And actually guys, you can store this hardware wallet in a safe place too. Only if you would like to send your crypto, you will need it, of course, because you will need to confirm the transaction and you will be confirming it also with some QR codes. It will be pretty easy, but I really recommend you go check out their website. Once again, I will leave all the links in the description. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and I wish you a good day. Please take care, stay safe. Bye!